I'm talking Good Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirt about biscuits and amp gravy. And you can seldom get really good biscuits and amp gravy in a restaurant. You can sometimes get decent or maybe even pretty good biscuits and amp gravy in a place that knows what they're doing. But they're a pale shadow of what an accomplished Good Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. But if that family Good Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirts member passes away, then the rest of the family is left to suffer in purgatory with the Pillsbury other products.